Hey everybody, welcome to Rectum. Today I want to talk to you about a couple of Costco Vitamix blenders. To my left I have the Venturist V1200, and you can buy this outside of Costco. It's part of the Ascent series, and it most closely resembles the Ascent A2300. And to my right is the Costco E320, the Explorian blender, the Explorian series. This is the E320, and outside of Costco you would find the E310. Both are very similar. Both are Vitamix blenders. Both will make hot soups. Both have a cleaning mode, or this has a cleaning mode. This, you just dial it in. Both will make nut butters. They'll crush ice. They're super powerful. As my friend says, I got a Vitamix, and with it I can grind concrete. Maybe not a great idea, but a little bit of hyperbole, but it is very, very powerful. And a lot of the reviewers kind of poo-poo the Costco versions, and I don't know why they do that. The only thing I can suspect is they're not affiliated with Costco, and they don't make any money from Costco. So anyway, let me talk to you about the differences, the similarities. I think we went over. They're both Vitamix. They're both powerful. If you buy them at Costco, I'm going to link below so you can buy them at Amazon. But if you buy them at Costco, they both come with Vitamix warranties, real Vitamix warranties. This one is a 10-year warranty, and this one is a 7-year warranty. Vitamix really stands behind their products. With this one, you get 2 smoothie cups and lids, the adapter. If you haven't seen the video review of just this, real fast I'll show you. Put your smoothie ingredients in here. The adapter, of course, has a regular Vitamix blade ready to go. Set it down. Screw it on. And blend a smoothie. Now, the Venturist, the V1200, also known as on the Vitamix site, the Ascent 2300, a few differences between this and the Ascent 2300. So the Costco one comes with this base and this 8-ounce container, which you can put on here for small nut butter batches, baby food batches, little salsa batches. It's just going to be you, a couple people over, you want to make some salsa. Good one for making a little tiny batch. And if your tiny batch lasts longer than the night, it also has a little lid to put it in the fridge. And this little lid has a big seal to keep it fresh. It also comes with this pitcher and a lid for smoothies. Now with this base has what's called the self-detect technology. So it will detect what I put on here. If I put on this pitcher, it knows, and it's going to change when I remove the pitcher. If you watch the little screen up front, and when I get close, it detects that now I have the smoothie container. It's off. Get close with the pitcher. It detected it. Get close with the smoothie. It detected it. One thing about this is you have to have it screwed down pretty tight. It's got to be really, really tight. And the nice thing about this is it will not let you. The Vitamix will will blend fast enough to make hot soups, and it really comes out steaming, and it really will build up a lot of pressure in one of these. So if you leave it unattended, it could blow. With this, it knows that you put this system on and it won't go long enough to cause you any troubles. Now, that said, which blender is right for you? I prefer this one. I also have this one. This one does a lot of jobs and it is great. It does everything this one does, save for the timer. This one also has the up and down. So I can set a time. I'm going to give it a few seconds, turn it on, it will count down and turn off. The Explorian, or the Venturist, this is the Venturist, the Ascent series, The A2300 has a timer, but it will only count up and tell you how long you've been blending. This has a really neat feature of the counting down. This also is, as it's part of the Ascent series, or kind of part of the Ascent series, is Bluetooth. So if I go onto this, when I turn on the Vitamix app, it's called the Perfect Blend app, and I tell it I'm ready to go. I want to go to wireless Bluetooth. I'm going through a couple of menus. Done. Blender. That blender is in low power mode. Wake it up by turning the dial. Oh, and the screen immediately went to my blender, and it's giving me some options here. I want to go to the cleaning mode. So let's say I want to clean. I'm not going to make a soup. There's smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, spreads, cleaning, dry chop, nut butters, cold skim milk foam, dressings, spice grinding, baby food, marinades, frozen cocktails, nut milks, the dips, batter, acai bowls. You got a lot of stuff to go on. So I'm going to run right from here. This is cool. The cleaning mode. It's uploading the recipe. Now I move the dial to position 1 and push start on the blender. It gives me those directions right there. So I'm going to push start on the blender. It's running the cleaning mode. So if I had this full of water and soap, it would be cleaning itself right now. Notice there it's counting down. Running program. Done. That's pretty cool. And there's a little dot on the screen. I don't know if you can see it here. It's not super important, but it shows you that it's connected right now with the Bluetooth. And that is kind of cool. Kind of like a smart blender. And I'm going to shut off the program, and that little dot that says it's connected to Bluetooth will go away. And it will, of course, function like a blender. So depending on what you want, you have a couple of choices. You have the, not its top of the line, state of the art thing, because there are higher levels of the Ascent series that have buttons for soup and everything right on the front. And they're also Wi-Fi. Okay, buy the Ascent A2300. I think you're going to be super fine with that. And this one is kind of a motor, a blender, and it really, really does the job. Hot soups come out of this. So hot, so delicious, and you save yourself a bunch of money if you're not concerned about Wi-Fi connectivity. None of this bothers you or interests you. Go for this. This thing is fantastic. It's absolutely great. You won't be sorry with this blender. And with the recipe books and all the people on YouTube and all over the internet putting up recipes you can do with your Vitamix, you'll find a lot of meals to make, and the hot soups are unbelievable. So comment below. Do you want me to make some hot soups for you? What do you want me to do? You want me to go further in depth on some blender meals or some smoothies? We can talk about all those things, and I can make all those things for you. I'm more than happy to do so. I just need to get enough interest that people will watch them. So go ahead, please click subscribe. Thank you for watching. Either one, go for it. Links will be below for you to pick out one of these and enjoy it. It's going to be great. These are just great, great machines. And the warranties, come on. Seriously, these warranties, because Vitamix stands behind this product. And as I've said in previous videos, if you call Vitamix, you talk to someone and they have answers for you. And if you call again, you pop up caller ID, they already know who you are. And they already know your previous conversations, and they can help you, and they can offer you guidance. And it's really a great, great company. I reached out to BlendTech and said, hey, what can you do on a device? And I do reviews because it was without a blender for a little bit, and 3 emails later I still don't have a response. It's pretty funny. So the Vitamix will cost you a little bit more, and it'll give you more warranty and response, and they'll be a responsive company. So you really get quality and a quality company. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Sean. You're on Rectum, and click subscribe. I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.